AI right now is where everyone is heading with their business plans, their business system, anything you really want to do right now. If you haven't used AI and you're about to start your Airbnb business, or you might be somebody who's already got an Airbnb business and haven't actually used AI today, I really want to show you exactly how AI is going to write you a free business plan, the business plan that actually can be followed and gone through the process of, you might take hours trying to sit down and put it together. What AI will help you do is it will do it for you, and then what you do is you start creating your personal touch, your personal situation added into your business plan to get the best outcome. So guys, if you're new to this channel, we've done amazing and loads of video about GrowYourBnb, short-term rental, Airbnb business, and in this video I want to use AI to create a business plan for your business right now. So let's get into it. So you can see I am in ChatGPT right now, and I am literally going to input here, I'm looking for a business plan, right? So you can just quickly go here and type in business plan. So here where it says your business development manager, copywriting a business plan, all I'm gonna type is how to start Airbnb business or actually the best thing to write is create a business plan for my Airbnb. There you are. And this is as simple as you can see from the screen. We've now gone into introduction. It's talking about market analysts. It's talking about competitors, market trends. It's talking about business description. What exactly are you looking for? Strategies and implementation. 90% of clients I work with don't even have a clue about this, and ChatGPT does it for you. Financial resources, right? And eventually it's given a conclusion. So what I really want to do is I want to take each of the topic and I really want to break it down, because this is a great way to create the best Airbnb business plan before you even invest and actually start your Airbnb journey. So firstly, you can see from my screen the business plan for Airbnb. It's given you saying, hey, welcome to our business plan. Our vision is to provide exceptional hospitality experience. Now, for me, I think this is so key. People don't understand that your Airbnb business is not just property investing. Property is a vehicle, but what it is a hospitality industry too. And as long as you give that experience to make feel traveler at home while exploring new destination. As an Airbnb host, our mission is to offer simple, comfortable and affordable accommodation along with outstanding customer service to ensure memorable stay for the guests. Basic but works perfectly. Now this business plan outlines our strategies, the goals and financial projection. Now again, 99% of new operators don't really understand financial projection. So you can see from the screen how amazing this tool is, that within less than probably a minute, it actually gave you all the background. So firstly, it talks about a little bit about introduction. But again, in your case now, you can go and add about why you want to start Airbnb business. It could be you wanting to share your experience around your traveling journey and how you want to now become a host and give people a better experience. It could be anything really. Now, number two, market analytics. This is probably the best thing. A lot of people do market due diligence, but they don't really sit down and think about the market, targets market. Are you looking for business travelers? Are you looking for families or groups? Are you looking for leisure guests? Are you looking to get everyone? Right? You need to understand the type of guest behavior. I keep talking about that in GrowYourBnb. It also talks about competitors analysis. I love this because 90% of the time you are going to look at other competition, but it might not give you the full, you're not really going and understanding what kind of features have they got, what pricing are they doing, or how easily can you book them online directly, because if you want to grow your direct business. You also talk about business description, which is property selection. What type of property are you going to go and select? How are you going to obviously do the due diligence? Involves property management, how you're going to agree a deal with a letting agency, or if you're going to give it to a Airbnb management company. Exactly all of this information needs to be planned. Now, my favorite, and that's what where you can see here, marketing and branding. This is the part where Grow Your BnB actually comes as a power team for many people who started their Airbnb business. So for me, Grow Your BnB is actually just a piece of 99% of other things that happens in Airbnb business, and it's so important that you understand that. Customer service, understand that, understand what processes are you going to put in place for great customer experience, and then it talks about your strategy and implementation, pricing, because that's going to allow you to make better return. When are you going to give them the discount? When are you going to offer? When are you ask them for extending and stay or returning guests? How are you going to optimize your occupancy rate, right? Again, partnerships, reviews and reputation management. I love that, because one of the journey I've gone through with my big clients is they, after looking at their account and constantly seeing bad reviews on their account, I was the one who told them you need to focus on reviews. And as soon as that happened, my client went and hired somebody to just manage, and actually that reputation management is so crucial for Airbnb business because it runs in review basis. And last but not the least, financial projection. You need to understand your profit margin, your costs, your revenue forecast, your type of bookings, your return on investments. How amazing this tool has actually created the best business plan. Now look, if I was you, I am going to save this for you guys. So if you really want this as a template, obviously you don't need to type it. You can then copy and paste it. Please comment down below in the comments, and I'll get my team to send this over to you guys. Now, I hope you enjoyed such an easy, but there's so much detail. I could spend hours today trying to go through all of this, but like I said to you guys, if you want a free version of that I've already downloaded, or you can do exactly what I've done, go into AI, log in, ChatGPT, log in yourself, create a free business plan. You really want to understand this, guys. Look, less than 5 minutes, you've got a business plan. You spend another hour outlining your personal goal within that business plan, and all of a sudden you've got something that you can really look forward to. You've got something that you can really take into JV partners and have a good meeting if you're looking for funding as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed another Grow Your BnB video. I'm gonna make a lot more other videos around AI and how we're using AI right now in our business as well, and to help you guys understand that, look, if you get into the trend a lot quicker, there's 90% of things you can automate it. As a result of that, as a business owner, there's very little or no things to worry about right now, especially with the tools available in the market. So please make sure you hit that like, subscribe and share, and I'll be back with another video soon.